reaction. So I just Here we go.
I mean, it sounded funny.
Time to go to Thailand.
Tuk-tuk is a little wobbly. Oh my god, lean right, lean right.
Oh god.
Got week round 3. Round 3. Naughty by nature.
Thailand, for real, might be my favorite route ever.
No way.
How do you see you with a bucket?
Somebody who really cares. I really need a lover who wants to be there. It's been so long since
There we go, dude! Yeah! Naughty by nature!
come put my love on the line. Strike on this land. So baby, if you want me, you got to show me love. Words are so easy to say, but you got to show me love.
You can only understand this if you're here, but hopefully this footage will give you a little clue.
Oh, this is incredible.
Every second that I'm looking.
GP in the house! You made 50 bucks. Thailand. Look at this.
Listen to the way you say you wanna get so high. Breathe me in like air tonight. Listen to the way.
Nate. Stop.
Raw panda.
Sorry.
Get your shit good. Are you okay?
So high, breathe me in like air tonight. Let yourself unwind, get lost in
Yo.
Okay.
crazy here. Everyone in the world needs to see this at least one time in their life.
Look at this girl. Mean mugging it, Athena. That's good.
Seho is awake.
Seho is awake. I mean, Seho is still in the shower. I think the bag's landing. That should light.